Meditate on the sands. Wave hello to the waves. For I will not wave this destruction that I have so secretly saved. Reflect on the piers. Memories are born. Kiss the freezing rain with dry lips and marvel at the stillness of the trees. But this is the calm before the storm. Rain, rain, go away, please come back another day. Rain, rain, go away, please come back another day. That was a tune hummed by a gentle breeze, only to be quelled by the careless choirs of the wild winds who sung. Rain, rain for days that shall not go away, wash the playgrounds of their childhood far, far away. You've heard horror stories regarding my cousin Katrina. I'm not from Bikini Bottoms. My name is Sandy and it's quite a pleasure to meet you. I'm unique. Naturally, it is in my nature to bring disaster, so don't cry now because before it was all laughter. If lightning and thunder aches for the quakes on earth, who is at fault? Patch in the dispatcher and state your emergency in this state of emergency as sand and floodwaters shall obscure asphalt. Atlantic City has become Atlantis City. Asbury has been buried. Belmar has been marred. Freehold has been held in bondage. The dry land, highlands has become the wetland, lowlands, and low are the lands and long branches and branch often broken by trees. Oh, say can you not see? The tides of the sea that are swept seaside into the sea to become CC, but how can you see? After I've left you in darkness and cut your power lines, left you grieving. Why get gas for your generators? Cash in your credit cards for this dense sense of security that's just a mirage. And while you cry for my crimes, weakening ocean for my purpose at this time to destroy your generation. So, at what pleasant point will you raise the 6 flags of bravery? At what pleasant point will the fists pumping courage into your coward hearts ever have the strength to shine? At what pleasant point will you shine bright like a diamond tattooed into the sky in New Jersey? I'll go hard. I'll go so hard in New Jersey, you should know there's more in store for the Jersey Shore. This chaos is cakewalk. I have no limits. Did you not bear witness how easy I erased 10 years in 10 minutes? A moment of anger for me, a lifetime of anguish for you. Woes over woes, worries over worries for you, to whom this all belongs. Work out the weight of this world, for did you not say you were Jersey strong? So go, gather your strength in the cornfields of what hasn't reaped from the garden state, and in the weeks to come, remember the days that I came to divide your talents, to multiply your sorrows, to add your veils, to subtract piece of peace from your peace of mind. In the aftermath of my destruction, lament your life then, contemplate your life now, and give thanks on Thanksgiving.